Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a toffee gift box. First, let's create the star of our gift, the delicious toffee itself. You'll need 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Combine these in a heavy-bottomed saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, quickly pour it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, spreading it to about 1/4 inch thick. This ensures a perfect, crisp texture for your treat. Once your toffee has cooled completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes, it's time to prepare it for gifting. First, melt 6 ounces of your favorite milk chocolate chips and spread a thin, even layer over the cooled toffee. A sprinkle of flaky sea salt adds a wonderful contrast. After the chocolate has fully set, gently break the toffee into charming, irregular pieces, each about 1 to 2 inches in size. These unique shapes add to the homemade appeal. Now, let's focus on the presentation. Select a sturdy gift box, perhaps 6 by 6 by 2 inches, that feels special. The right box enhances the homemade charm of your toffee. Next, line the bottom of your chosen box with a layer of food-safe parchment paper or a lovely piece of decorative tissue paper. This not only protects the toffee, but also adds a touch of elegance. Carefully arrange your delicious toffee pieces inside, making sure they look inviting and fill the box beautifully. For the grand finale, let's add those thoughtful final touches. Securely close the lid of your gift box and tie it with a beautiful, festive ribbon, perhaps a 1-inch wide satin or grosgrain. A handwritten gift tag with a heartfelt message truly elevates the present, making it uniquely yours. For an extra sensory delight, consider tucking in a small sprig of dried lavender or a fragrant cinnamon stick. These small details transform your toffee into an unforgettable, personalized gift.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.